In a 90 liters of mixture of milk and water, the ratio of milk and water is 4:1. The quantity of water required to make the mixture of milk and water 3:1. So how much quantity of water is required to add for a mixture whose ratio is 4:1 so that the ratio becomes 3:1? This is what they have asked. Now milk plus water is equal to 90 liters. So the mixture is given to be 90 liters, that is milk plus water is equal to 90 liters. Then now the ratio is 4:1. So 4 parts of milk plus 1 part of water will be equal to 90 liters. See, the ratio is 4 parts milk and 1 part water. So 5 parts will be equal to 90 liters. 1 part will be equal to 90 by 5, which is equal to 18 liters. Now we need to find how much milk is there. Now milk weighs 4 parts, which is equal to 4 times 18, which is equal to 72 liters. Or you can just subtract 1 part of water, which is 18 liters. Even then you will get 90 minus 18 will be equal to 72 liters. So this is about the first mixture, 4:1 mixture. Now if you consider the new mixture, that is the new ratio is 3:1. So in this mixture you see the question is the quantity of water required to make the mixture of milk and water 3:1. Now 3 parts is milk. Since we are not adding any extra milk, the quantity of the milk remains the same. So which is 72 liters. That would imply 1 part will be equal to 72 divided by 3, which is equal to 24 liters. So 1 part is equal to 24 liters. Now what is the water in this mixture? Water is given to be this 3:1. So we're just taking 1 part, which is equal to 24 liters. See, in the previous mixture the water was 18 liters. Now in the new mixture the water is 24 liters. So the water, extra added water, is 24 minus 18, which is equal to 6 liters. So 6 liters is the amount of water extra added from the previous mixture to make the mixture from 4:1 to the ratio 3:1. So if they just asked you how much is the water in the new mixture, then you have to write the amount of water in the mixture 3:1, which is 24 liters, but they have just asked you the quantity of water required to make the mixture from 4:1 to 3:1. That is from 18 liters we have converted into 24 liters by just adding extra 6 liters. In shortcut version. So now we have 2 ratios, that is 4:1, 3:1. So I'm just giving you the shortcut method. The ratio is from milk is to water. So 2 ratios are given, 4:1, 3:1. See, read the question. The quantity of water required, right? Milk we are not altering, so we'll keep the mixture of milk same. So we'll convert the ratio such that the milk ratio will become common in both the ratios. So the best thing that we should do is multiply with this numbers. Since 1 is there, I just will take 3 and I'll multiply to the first ratio, and then I'll take 4 and I'll multiply to the second ratio. That will become 12:3, and this will become second ratio will become 12:4. So now the milk has become common in both the ratios. Now water is different. That is what, how much different is there? That is what they have asked. Now see, 4 parts plus 1 parts water will be equal to 90 liters. We can just take 4 parts plus 1 part is equal to 90 liters, or you can just take 12 parts plus 3 parts is equal to 90 liters. It is like saying taking 1 liter, or you can take 2 or half liters. So 15 parts will be equal to 15p will be equal to 90, so p will be equal to 90 by 15, which is equal to 6 liters. So So water in the first mixture is 3p, which is equal to 3 times 16, which is equal to 18 liters, and water in the second mixture will be 4 times 6, which is equal to 24 liter. So the difference would be 24 minus 18, which is equal to 6 liters. So this is again, I'm explaining in shortcut also. I've explained little more, that is 6 more liters have to be required. So otherwise also we can skip this calculation 1 and 2 just by taking the difference of how much parts are there. So in the first mixture there is 3 part, and in the second mixture there is 4 part. So 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3, which will give you just 1 part, or 1p, which is nothing but 6 liters. You can skip this calculation also. That calculation of 18 liters and 24 liters also can be removed for making further much time. You can use much less time to solve it. So I hope you have understood.